Hello, my friends. Welcome to Creating with Jovi and to the Christmas Pocket Letter Swap, hosted by Linnae of Fashionably 50-something and Beyond. Actually, her new channel name is My 60s Life. My partner is Erica of Today with Erica Faye. For this swap, we needed to swap a pocket letter, a card, a sweet treat, and some crafty goodies. And look at this beautiful card. This is so awesome. It's vellum, and it's absolutely gorgeous, and it's pink poinsettias. It's so pretty. Dear Jovi. Oh, very cool. Check that out. Oh, it comes right out. Look at that. Oh, neat. Dear Jovi, wishing you and yours peace, love, and joy. Merry Christmas. Love, Erica Faye. And she marked it Christmas 2025 YouTube Pocket Page Swap. Happy New Year. Aw, thank you so much, Erica. I appreciate that so much. I'm going to slide this back in here. That is so pretty. I love that. It's really cool. All right, my friends. Wow, she sent me all this gorgeousness, and it's all packaged so beautifully. So let's start with this adorable little heart envelope. Check it out. Hold on. This is so cute, Erica. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's get into it. So this is so adorable. She put a straw topper in here and also added some little crunchy paper. I forget what we call it, like confetti sort of. It's just it was so cute. What a great presentation. And it says straw topper on it. Look at that. That is adorable. I can't wait to use that. I use those big thermal cups that have straws. And so this is great. Thank you so much, Erica. I love, love, love the heart bubble wrap. That's just so cute. Ooh, how pretty. Oh my goodness. Look at the gorgeous napkins. Oh, and look at this pen, you guys. Oh my gosh, how cute. Okay, hold on. Let's look at the napkin first. Look at this. It's like burgundy and fuchsia and gold. These are so pretty. Thank you so much, Erica. And now let's take a look at this pen. How cute. I wonder if she made it. Oh my goodness, look, it's an angel, you guys. It's so cute. Look at that. Aw, thank you, Erica. It's so cute. And the angel is made out of like a Santa hat. It's super, super cute. And I love the pink too. Aw, so pretty. All right, here is the next one. And see if I can get that open. Ooh, how pretty. Oh my gosh, it's a container with 4 different size flat backs. Let me open one up and pour some in my hand. Look at that gorgeous color, you guys. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness, thank you, Erica. That is so nice of you and so generous. I love this little container too. That's pretty cool. We are going to get into the next one. I think I can slide it out. Oh, it might be tape. Let me see. No, I think we got it. There we go. She did such a wonderful job protecting everything so it could get through the mail. Here, let me slide this up right here. We're going to open this, I think. Aw, look, it says Merry Christmas. Look at this. How cute, you guys. Look. It's a cute little clothespin, and it has a snowflake on it. Isn't that adorable? Oh my gosh, she stuffed the bag so full, it's like popped open. That's great. All right, let's see what we have here. Look at this. Oh my gosh, she used some of those flat backs. How cute. And she stuffed the candy cane in this little envelope that she made. That is so super adorable. Oh, and then we have some Werthers here. Oh, how yummy. Oh, how fun. And then we have a crisp Kringle. That is so funny. Instead of a crisp Kringle, we have a crisp Kringle. That's great. And some hot chocolate. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Erica. That's so nice of you. Look at this, my friends. This is an adorable pink and gold container with a clear top. I love it so much. It's so cute. My friends, she stuffed it with lace, and it's like a fabric lace. And look at this beautiful, rich color. Look at that. Isn't that nice? I love it. It's a very deep green. And then we have this beautiful blue, also a fabric type of lace. And look at that. Isn't that so pretty? It's almost like a periwinkle. So beautiful and generous of you, Erica. Thank you so much. I love it. Look at this, you guys. This is so beautiful. I want to show it to you a little bit up close. Look at that gorgeous pattern. Isn't that so pretty? How much do you love it? And then look down here. It says Merry Christmas. Beautiful star with a little tiny Santa on it. It's so cute. Well, it's not a star, it's a snowflake, but it's so cute. Okay, what do we have here? Let's see. Let's pull this string, this beautiful iridescent ribbon. And I'm thinking, there we go. Okay, we get to undo it like this. This should be the pocket letter. I'm fairly certain it is. Oh, how cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, how cute. This is so fun. All right, I'm going to open this up. Oh, I love it. Now, I'm still learning about pocket letters, and so it's always such a joy to swap one because I love seeing what other creators do. And this is just fantastic. So each one has a card in it, a tag, if you will, and then she definitely stuffed them full of stuff. So let's just have a quick look, but let's take this in. First of all, look at this adorable tassel, such a cute shaker. The shaker is a ornament, and it's so stinking cute. And then she went down the edge with some really pretty, gorgeous actually, red trim, and then across the bottom with some super cute pom-pom trim in green, as you can see. And then each pocket has something in it. We have a bow here, and it goes over like the deer's chest. So that's such a super cute thing. And then look at this handmade bow with paper and this little tiny button. That's adorable. And then here we have on the outside of the pocket, we have this really pretty trim and this star and some more trim, and then some pom-pom trim here, and some cute pink trim here, and then this little tiny candy cane is on the outside, and then more pom-pom trim. This is so stinking cute. Let's flip it over and take a look at this side. So this side, oh my gosh, okay. So this is where she loaded the goodies, and so we've got a bunch of tickets right here. So that's super fun, right? And then over here, we have, oh, this is so cute. It is a matchbook notebook. Look how cute that is. Do you love it or what? That is so cute. That's going right in my purse. That's adorable. And she even used a mini stapler. I love that. That's so, so cute. Oh, how fun. So on this side, she sent me a couple of the fun bows that she made with the buttons on them, and I just love those, and I love those little tiny buttons. So super cute. And then in this one, she sent me a packet of buttons, and they are red and green, and aren't they fun? Oh my gosh, such a good idea to put them in this little baggie. And then in this one, she sent me some like little die cuts, but they're foam, and so they're squishy, and I love them because they feel so good. And look, they're little bows. How cute are these, you guys? Oh my goodness. These are so precious. Look at that, you guys. And then here is a sequin mix. Let's get that here. Let me move these over real quick. Oh, this is so fun. Erica, what a beautiful job on this pocket letter you did. So this is a beautiful sequin mix. Love that. Perfect for a shaker. In this pocket, we have a super adorable, like, resin piece. This is so cute. So when you look at it, it's like you can see through it to the gold, but then this is so cute. I love it so much. Did you make that, Erica? This is really cool. And then over here, we have her really fun maker's mark here. It says, made for you with love. And then it says, follow me. It has YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and TikTok. Today with Erica Faye. And then we have this fun ribbon. Look how pretty that is, you guys. Beautiful cream color with some gold stars on it. I love that. Super pretty. And then last but definitely not least, look at these beautiful, sparkly Christmas trees. I love them. Erica, this was so fun. And I want to thank you for being my partner. And friends, I want to tell you that Erica went on travel, and then when she came home, she had a snowstorm and she couldn't get she got the package out on time, which was amazing, but she had to fight a snowstorm and everything. So thank you very much, Erica, for this beautiful, beautiful pocket and all of the goodies. I'm just in love with everything. So thank you for being my partner, and thank you to Linnae for hosting this really, really fun swap. I very, very much enjoyed it. And to you, my friends, thank you, and I'm wishing you a very happy holiday season. Thanks for watching. See you soon.